In this video, I'll be taking you around Bwari Pottery Village in 3 minutes and also show you how these beautifully crafted objects are made. Bwari Pottery Village is one of my favorite places to visit in Abuja. It is located right beside Nigerian Law School, Abuja, which is pretty easy to locate. Pottery is simply the art or craft of making objects like dishes, vases, teapots, jugs, mugs, cups out of clay. If you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the like button and subscribe. The environment of this place looks very natural. It looks like a village. Maybe that's why it's actually called Bwari Pottery Village. One of the things I love most about the place is the fact that everything here is locally sourced and there's little or no emissions here. In the process of making these ceramic items, the clay is first sourced locally and not every type of clay is used. After sourcing, the clay is then prepared by mixing, drying and also rolling the clay in order to make it consistent and air bubble free. Some of these clay materials are stored underground. One of the final processes is the throwing. This is where the clay is being wheeled into shape before it is dried and fired up to give it its final appealing look. I visited this place with the outdoor tribe, so if you want a private tour around Abuja or more information concerning this place, you can send email or check them out on Instagram. Kindly hit the like button if you got any value from this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
I hope you don't tell me all this.
What I mean is that once